Be Data Literate. Unlock your data superpower with Jordan Morrow, a practical book review for aspiring data professionals by Marco Giardina.
Are you ready to unlock the secrets of data literacy? Today I'm reviewing Be Data Literate by Jordan Morrow. It's a must-read guide on using data to unlock your superpower. Whether you're new to data analytics or looking to sharpen your skills, this book has something for you. This book breaks down data literacy into 4 simple skills. First, read the data. Don't skim it, dig in. Second, work with it. Hands-on practice builds confidence. Third, analyze it. Ask questions, find patterns, and understand the context. Finally, communicate it. Tell the story behind the numbers so others can act on it. Morrow's big idea, data isn't scary, it's human. He shows how curiosity and common sense beat fancy software every time. And the best part? You already have what it takes to get started. But let's be honest, learning a new skill alone is hard. That's why coaching matters. A coach guides you, sharpens your skills, and helps you avoid rookie mistakes. If you want to break into data analytics, start here. Be Data Literate gives you the foundation, but to truly stand out, you need guidance and practice. That's where a coach makes all the difference. Ready to take control of your future? Grab a copy of Be Data Literate today and start your journey. And if you want personalized support to master these skills, I'm here to help. Let's turn your curiosity into a career.